Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm here at Different Gear in Sheffield for All Points North. I've just come down here to see who's here and just have a good look at the bikes and say hello to everybody and wish everybody well. I'm actually going to be doing the Audax tomorrow and Sunday. It's 200s from here to Dale's Bike Centre and then again on Sunday. A nice bit of camping in the middle, should be good. Anyway, let's talk, let's have a look around the bikes and see who's here today. So what's your name and number?
My name's Andy, number 8, and this is my Mason definition. I did a suspension seat post from a Canyon. Makes a massive difference. Brooks saddle, dynamo hub, so dynamo front light, rear light, backup set of lights just in case the worst happens, but dynamo's been really good actually. Really like almost too bright. Got my power bank. Pizza on its way. Seat pack, sport lead, bivy bag, airbed in there.
And what cassette are you running? It looks quite small, Andy.
1132. That's bigger than what I had. Previous setup was 1128, so that should hopefully be alright.
Excellent. Well, good luck out there, Andy.
Thank you, mate.
You've got a YouTube channel as well. How can people find it? What's it called?
Andy C Ultra Cycling.
Okay, brilliant. Thanks, Andy.
Thanks a lot.
Have a good ride. Hi there. How you doing? You ready?
As ready as I can be right now, that's for sure.
So you're number 81. What's your name?
I'm Will Scrimshaw.
Have you done this before?
Yeah, I did. I did the post-COVID edition, the Not All Points North one, a little while back, and I did it about 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago I think. So back for another one.
So this is your bike. It's
It is, yeah.
I can see it's a Sonda.
Yeah, it's a Sonda Calibri. It's a titanium frame.
Yep.
So hopefully last many years. Yeah, it's been great. Just changing the odd sort of wearables and things like that. But otherwise, it's been absolutely fantastic. It's done, London, Edinburgh, London, 3 lots of All Points North.
Yep.
Many Audaxes and stuff like that. It's been great.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So it looks like you got a 34 cassette on the rear there.
Yeah,
the biggest
definitely.
cassette you can possibly get on.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, living in Sheffield,
Yep.
you need it on the hills.
What's your name and your number? Where are you from?
Amy, I'm from Derby and my number is number 4.
So do you want to tell me all about your bike?
This is Pinny, my Pinarello. She's an X7. She's an endurance bike, so hopefully she's going to do well on the endurance ride. But yeah, I've had her since January, so yeah.
And you was just saying off camera this is your first time doing All Points North? Excellent.
A bit scared. I've done like the distance before,
Yeah.
but not on my own, so it's my first time riding at night, starting at night as well. So yeah.
See, we've met before at these kind of events, so
Yeah.
not completely strangers. So I know you've done PvP
Yeah.
and various Audaxes over the years.
Yeah.
So what can you tell me about your bike? What gears you got on? And then what's your lowest gear?
To be honest with you, you might have to have a look for me because I haven't looked.
I think you're on a
I'm
32.
on a 32, yeah. I'm on
Yeah.
a 32, 12 and then...
50-34. Yeah.
See, this is the
50-34.
thing. I get a bike and I ride it.
Yeah.
I don't look into all the mechanics. Kyle sorts out the mechanics and I just ride.
Yeah.
No, I am trying to get better at it, but I'm not very good at mechanics and stuff. I did actually learn it all when I did a bike review, and then once I learned it, it went out of my head.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
How are you actually feeling about the race stroke
to be honest,
adventure?
I'm very scared. I'm not really treating it as a race because I'll just be happy to finish. So my aim is just finish. I don't know if I can do it in the time, but I'm going to try. And yeah, if the time limit goes, I'll just keep riding.
It's a bank holiday weekend, so
Yeah,
you've got
make the most
extra
of it.
time. Excellent. Well, I hope you have a good ride, Amy.
Thank you.
Is there anything else you could tell me about your setup? What about up front? What have we got running on?
Exposure on the front. It's got a really good battery life, so it should be okay. And then I've got a spare one.
Yeah.
This is for like when it's really dark and there's no street lights, and this is for like when it's just a little bit dark. We've got my Garmin Solar, so that's good. Di2, so with electric gears. I've bought my charger with me just in case. But I did test out the gears and they lasted for 800 miles before without dying, so it should be okay.
And tail fin on the back with everything in for
Everything.
sleeping
Main
outdoors,
snacks,
yeah.
Got a sleeping bag and bivy bag, snacks. Got a tyre glider because I need.
They're awesome, aren't they?
Yeah, really good. And then
You eventually bought one.
Yes, I bought one.
All those comments down below. Buy yourself tag later.
Yeah, really good. And then Senitalia saddles, which is endurance one, so it's like extra paddy. So, because I did get really bad saddle sore on Paris, so
Yeah.
I've had a bike fit this time, so hopefully it's going to work.
Very have a fantastic ride.
Thank you.
Let's just interrupt another couple of riders. What's your name and number?
My name is Nadine Ansok and my number is 58.
Are you sure? And this is your first time doing all points north, is it?
Yeah, first time I'm doing all points now.
You looking forward to it?
Yeah. I'm really looking forward to exploring some more of the north and to the nature and everything. So it's gonna be awesome.
We did TCR in 2022.
That is correct.
2
the
years
same
ago.
Year as you did it, where we met. Yes.
That's right, yeah. So
Yeah.
not completely alien to you, these kinds of events?
No, that's right.
Yeah.
I've done a couple. Yeah. So yeah, but never done the north of England, so that's gonna be good.
There's lots of hills, lots of climbing.
That is right. Yeah.
And who sat next to you?
I'm Johnny Pillar. I'm Cat 42.
Cat 42.
Yeah.
Is this your first time?
This is my first
ABN?
all points. Yes,
Yeah.
it is. So I'm from Sheffield.
Okay.
So it's nice to start and finish from here.
So you're more familiar with the hills
Yes,
then?
yeah.
Well, I hope both have a good ride.
Thank you very much.
And I'm hoping the sun stays. Well, I hope the sun comes out. Because I'm riding myself this weekend as well. So, so fingers crossed.
Thank you very much.
Minutes, jobs before the race starts. Get those nails done.
Yeah, it's very important.
Gotta look after yourself.
Now it's more a ritual.
Yeah.
Now I don't dare to not do it. My name is Anna and cap number 12. Bye.
What can you tell me about your bike?
It's a Genesis Equilibrium, custom built for the 2016 length of Sweden, or was it 17? No, 16. And then it's done 2 TCRs and a lot of other stuff.
So look at that beauty of a bike. This is yours. What's your name and cap number?
Name JD and cap number 25.
Excellent. So you've done everything before the All Point North. I believe you did the TCR. What?
I did, yeah.
2018, 2019?
2018. And I did this one as well in 2019, the year
Yeah.
after.
So you're back for more.
Indeed.
So what can you tell me about your beautiful bike?
I can tell you, I've had it for a couple of years now. I like it a lot. It's does me well.
Is that
It's,
is it a gravel or you've got very low gearing by the looks of it?
Technically, it's a they sell it as a single-speed cyclocross bike. Set it up obviously with it's a bit of a road bike.
I'm liking the look of that cassette. It's big enough.
I can't do without the low gears.
You're riding as well?
I am,
Yeah.
We're in a pair.
Ah, right. Okay. What's your name and numbers?
I'm Claire.
Yeah.
And my number is 92.
Nice to be.
Yeah.
Is this your first time doing All Points North?
It is, yeah.
A little bit nervous?
Just a little.
Yeah. What can you tell me about the bike you brought with you?
I mean, it's just my normal road bike with some aero bars clipped on.
Some bags, yeah.
Yeah,
Thrown
some
on.
bags.
Yeah.
Some bags thrown on, yeah. Just for. I've not got much. It's a sleeping bag.
I can see that.
And a toothbrush.
All the essentials.
Yeah.
Yeah.
An extra layer.
Well, I hope the weather's safe for you, Claire.
I know, thank you.
And your riding partner?
riding
What's your name?
Storm.
Storm.
Yeah.
And is this your first time All Points North?
Yeah, first time all points north.
Yeah. Cool. I bet you'll both have a good ride.
Thank you.
Enjoy your picnic.
You too.
I've got Kyle right in front of me as well. He thought he'd got away with it. So
I was almost running off.
you're not taking part in
No.
All Points North this year.
We were doing something else, we cancelled that and then I didn't sign on, so.
So you're a driver.
Driver, mechanic, pre-event.
Yeah. You're on your own now.
Moon now.
Over to you.
You'll be there at the end though.
Yeah.
And you're only a phone call away.
Also, I can have some rides on my own in peace now.
So we all know Chris. He's number 16 this year. We rode All Points North. I was nearly going to say together, but don't know why. Because we started together, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, I didn't finish. I ended up in in a churchyard.
Yeah. You got into the Lake District, didn't you? Then you turn around.
Yeah, turn around, come
So
back.
this year you come back, mean business.
We'll see.
And Alex as well. How you doing?
Hello.
Come back for more?
Yeah, we will finish, of course, in time.
And you've travelled where from?
From Germany.
Germany?
Yeah.
Okay.
So with ferry. Yeah.
Fingers crossed on the weather front, you guys.
Yeah, we rode together.
That's right, yeah. We ended up in the...
And we were kicking off about that fella with the exposure light.
That's right, yeah.
And we were riding with Anne, my friend.
Yeah. It seems so long ago now. It was like beginning of April, I think, wasn't
I know, I've been still banging on about it all day today. Because just the similarities of the fact that it's like a nighttime start.
it? Yes, yeah.
all of
But
that.
it's not over so quickly, is it?
So,
Can you tell me about your bike?
of course I can. Right, so I've been waiting for ages for some TA Carmina cranks because I want to convert this to TA. But in the interim, I've put a GRX on there with 165 cranks in the recommendation from my bike fit. Well, no, that's not strictly true. My bike fitter said, you don't need 165 cranks. And then I relayed that to my dad and he said very patronisingly, well, they're your knees. So then I thought, oh, maybe I should. So anyway, I stuck them on. We've got pretty low gears here. So
Yeah.
we've got GRX standard 46, 30 on the front and a 34 on the back for the spinny of the steep hills.
Lovely gold chain as well.
Lovely, yes. So Audax maths, the gold chain is like 40 grams lighter than a Shimano 105, and the jams from the Premier Inn that I nicked are 14 grams each. So 3 extra jams for the price of that gold chain. Every gram matters. Unless you're me, nobody else seems to have as much stuff as me. Right, every time.
I'm sure they do.
No, every time I'm like, literally, I would die if I don't have every single item that I have here right now. And then I rock up to an event, and then like everybody has like half the stuff that I have. I can't even lift my bike onto the bloody thing, it's too heavy.
So it looks like somebody's just arriving. What's your name and number?
Matthew and number 52.
I'm just gonna go around the bike. Where have you? Are you local? Or where have you been from?
Live in London, but originally from Birmingham.
Ah.
So yeah.
And what's the bike you're riding on today?
It's a Saffron Frameworks, so stainless steel.
Yeah.
Carbon fork. So Matthew at Saffron did a nice job for me. So got this last year. Yeah. So.
And what's your gearing like?
Well so far. Yeah. I could probably do something a bit higher for the big hills, but we'll see how it goes.
You can never have enough gears.
Yeah.
Well, you have a good ride, Matthew.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
As I look around, there's lots of nervous faces. We've got 40 minutes to go. Look who it is. James Jones. How you doing? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, getting there now. Not far away, is it? So
No?
let's see how we get on.
Yeah. Nervous?
A little bit, yeah.
So at the gate, we're going to go to about 10 minutes time. Everybody's rushing to the bathroom. with Ange at the end of beginning of the end.
Yeah. No, beginning of the beginning.
Beginning
really.
of the beginning.
End of the beginning.
End of the beginning. That's the way you say it.
Yes.
How do you feel it went up to this point?
Yeah, good start. Really good start. But for me now, I guess they're all out there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be worrying about them now until they all get back on Monday night.
So how many riders was this year then?
Well, we signed up 150, but I think I've not checked. I'll have to do the final tally because we've had a few scratches today. About 130 riders out, I think.
That's the same sort of last year.
More or less.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
And of course, also this weekend you've got an Audax going on as well. Going to be up in the morning.
Yes, I'll be here at 7.
Yeah.
To get started.
Excellent. And it's from here as well.
It starts here
Yeah, so you're
and
bright and
finishes
early.
at the Institute.
That's it from here in Sheffield. Hope you enjoyed it. Bit of a different kind of video, seeing everybody. Well, for me, it was very interesting. This time last year, I was in their position, so it was good just to wish everybody off. Doing the Audax this weekend. Looking forward to getting out there and doing something a little bit less hilly. But big kudos to those guys and girls, and wish them well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Head down below to the comments. Especially, I want to hear from you if you do the All Points North this year. Right, I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.